Hey, hi guys, I'm Naval Yamal. In this video, we are going to see how to use Google Colab for our Python programming language. So you can go to Google and just type Google Colab. Okay, Google Colab, and it will show you like welcome to Collaboratory. That is your Google Collaboratory. So once you open it, you can see and interface like this, and this Google Colab will be connected to your drive. So you can click on new notebook, or you can just click on the Python notebooks, whatever you have. So the extension for this is .ipynb, that is Python notebook. So let me click on new notebook, and once I click on new notebook, you will be getting these interface. So let me show you how your Google Colab looks like. Let me reduce some size. Yeah, so this is how your Google Colab looks like. You can just give a name for this, and you can start writing a code on this notebook. For this, you should have an internet connectivity because this is a live interpreter. Now if I start writing a code like print hello world, now no need to save this anything, just you keep on hello Python. Let me write hello Python, and just you can use shift enter to execute this code, or you can click on this play button also to run this. Okay, you can just see, you can also press control enter to execute. So it is actually connecting now. It will take few seconds for the first line of code. Then once you have executed, then you can easily use the next codes. Okay, now you can see you got an output. So it is connected. We will see all this in detail. What do you mean by RAM, disk, what is happening behind this, and how it is executing. We will see that. But now, for time being, for a very basic, you just use like Google Colab and start writing a code there. Suppose if I write a equal to 10, and if I write print, what is the type of a? Can you tell me what is the type of a? Yeah, it will show you that this is an class integer. Let me do some calculations here. Suppose if I say 10 plus 10, and if I use shift enter, and you can see you got an output. So you can use Python like a calculator. Suppose if you have anything like 2 into 3 3, and if you use control enter, if you can use control enter and shift enter both. So if you press control enter, your cursor remains in the same cell. If I use shift enter, your cursor will move to the next cell. Okay, and if you want to insert a new line of code, you can just hit here plus sign, it will get a new code. So here you can write any type of calculations like 2 plus 3 minus 5 multiplied by 8, or 9 divided by 2. You can do any complex calculations and it will execute. So how it is executing, which rules it is following, is it following a BODMAS rule, or it is following any other rule? So we will discuss all that in our coming session. So you need to just look into Google Colab and start writing a simple code like hello Python, hello world, and see that how the variables are declared here. And in our coming sessions, we will see about what are the data types of Python. Okay. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, keep learning.